discerning drivers will appreciate the 2014 Chevrolet Impala. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, a blind spot monitoring system, and remote keyless entry. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 117-point inspection. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.